Hi there, this video's live. Beautiful, very cute robin. Bird bath, Woking Town. Weather forecast UK, 24 likes video. Press the thumbs up on the left side of the screen right now. He's now gone. Time the distance at the moment, 14:43 p.m. in the afternoon. Hour lights approximately 17 to 18 minutes to 3 p.m. in the afternoon, and it is May. There he is again. 29th. Wednesday afternoon, 24. Hey, that's beautiful, beautiful, very cute robin. Bird bath a minute ago. He's scried Michelle Sunny Gems. Weather today. Sunshine cloud much will vary. Mostly cloudy this afternoon, I say, but who's watching the video? This is Squash on Sunny Gems. Might be happy. This is my friend Sparking Jim, every Friday 3 to 5 p.m. ITF Friday, Surrey Hills rate list. They should show every Friday. And this is my friend, you name it, Shane, live. We see a every Friday at 10 a.m. to 12 and live on Surrey Hills race show every Friday. And it's my friend John, a live show for Sunday at 9 to 12 and live on the Waken race. I travel places, I go places, might be happy. Bye now. Robin's back again. Look. There a minute ago. There he is. And move around. There he is. And birth bath again. Oh, isn't he cute? Oh. Oh. He's as busy as I am. And a birth bath. That blue stuff there's slug repellent. The net stops the little birds flying in there. Oh, another one. Oh, he's a big one, isn't he? Oh, oh, oh. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe, share on signatures. The force be with always. That's what needs to me. We needs the shoe. This is beautiful, isn't it? Just beautiful. Oh, he's in a real good old bird bath, isn't he? He's a big chap, that little robin, isn't he? They're quite fierce robins, huh? These squash on sign, yep, these squash on signatures. Might be happy. Bye.